Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi, this is Seos, IT specialist and member at Web Development. In the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. The digital age has brought with it a new frontier of challenges and opportunities where the battle between security and vulnerability is ever present. Ethical hackers, those digital detectives who expose vulnerabilities to make systems safer, need tools that are as sharp as their minds. These professionals are constantly on the lookout for the best resources to aid them in their mission to protect and secure digital information. Enter Python, a programming language that has captured the hearts and minds of hackers worldwide. Python's rise in popularity is no accident. It is a testament to its powerful capabilities and ease of use. Why is Python so beloved in this realm? What makes it stand out among the myriad of programming languages available to cybersecurity experts? The answer lies in its unique blend of simplicity, versatility, and a vast ecosystem of tools tailor-made for the challenges of cybersecurity. Python's syntax is clear and readable, making it accessible even to those who are new to programming. This simplicity does not come at the cost of power. Python is capable of handling complex tasks with ease. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Python and uncover why it has become the language of choice for those who seek to understand and secure the digital landscape. From scripting simple automation tasks to developing sophisticated security tools, Python's flexibility is unmatched. This essay will explore the specific reasons why Python has become synonymous with ethical hacking, from its beginner-friendly syntax to its ability to power sophisticated security tools. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks such as Scapy for network analysis and Nmap for network scanning provide hackers with the resources they need to perform their tasks efficiently. Whether you're an aspiring cybersecurity professional or simply curious about the tools of the trade, understanding Python's role in this domain is an essential step towards navigating the ever-evolving landscape of digital security. Python's community is another significant factor in its success. The collaborative nature of the Python community means that there is a wealth of knowledge and resources available to anyone looking to learn and grow in the field of cybersecurity. The open-source nature of Python means that it is constantly evolving, with new tools and libraries being developed to address the latest security challenges. This dynamic environment ensures that Python remains at the forefront of cybersecurity innovation. In addition to its technical capabilities, Python's role in education cannot be overstated. Many cybersecurity training programs and courses use Python as the primary language for teaching students the fundamentals of hacking and security. This early exposure to Python helps to cement its place as a cornerstone of the cybersecurity toolkit. As we continue to explore the allure of Python in the hacking world, it becomes clear that its combination of simplicity, power, and community support makes it an invaluable asset for ethical hackers. Whether you're writing a simple script to automate a task or developing a complex tool to uncover vulnerabilities, Python provides the foundation you need to succeed. So, the next time you hear about a cybersecurity breach or a new vulnerability being discovered, remember that behind the scenes there's a good chance that Python played a crucial role in uncovering and addressing the issue. The language's versatility and power make it an indispensable tool in the ongoing battle to secure our digital world. In conclusion, Python's allure in the hacking world is undeniable. Its unique combination of simplicity, versatility, and a supportive community has made it the go-to language for ethical hackers around the globe. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, Python will undoubtedly remain a key player in the fight to protect and secure our information. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Python and cybersecurity. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep exploring the fascinating intersection of technology and security. Time is of the essence in the fast-paced world of cybersecurity. Every second counts when it comes to protecting sensitive information and thwarting potential threats. The ability to respond swiftly and effectively can mean the difference between a minor incident and a major breach. Hackers and cybersecurity professionals alike need a programming language that allows them to write, test, and deploy code quickly and efficiently. In this high-stakes environment, the tools of the trade must be both powerful and user-friendly. Python, with its elegant and intuitive syntax, fits the bill perfectly. Its design philosophy emphasizes readability and simplicity, which means that even complex tasks can be accomplished with minimal code. Unlike other languages that can feel like deciphering ancient scrolls, Python reads almost like plain English, making it remarkably easy to learn and master. This accessibility is a game changer, especially for those new to the field. This simplicity translates to faster development cycles, allowing security professionals to focus on what matters most, identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities. When time is of the essence, the ability to quickly develop and deploy solutions is invaluable. Imagine being able to build a powerful security tool with just a few lines of code. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks provide the building blocks needed to create robust applications without reinventing the wheel, or quickly automate a repetitive task that would take hours to do manually. Automation is a key component in cybersecurity, where efficiency and accuracy are paramount. Python's capabilities in this area are unmatched. Python makes this possible, empowering both seasoned professionals and newcomers to the field with its accessible and efficient nature. Whether you're a veteran coder or just starting out, Python's user-friendly design levels the playing field. The language's low barrier to entry has democratized the cybersecurity landscape, allowing a wider range of individuals to contribute to the ongoing battle for a safer digital world. This inclusivity fosters innovation and collaboration, driving the industry forward from scripting and automation to developing full-fledged security applications. Python's versatility is unmatched. Its extensive libraries, such as Scapy for network analysis and PyCrypto for cryptographic operations, provide the tools needed to tackle a wide array of cybersecurity challenges. Python's role in cybersecurity is not just limited to defensive measures. Ethical hackers and penetration testers also rely on Python to identify and exploit vulnerabilities, helping organizations strengthen their defenses. The community's support for Python is another significant advantage. With a wealth of tutorials, forums, and open-source projects, learning and mastering Python is more accessible than ever. This collaborative environment encourages continuous learning and improvement. Many educational institutions and professional organizations now offer courses and certifications in Python, recognizing its importance in the cybersecurity domain. These programs equip individuals with the skills needed to excel in this ever-evolving field. In conclusion, Python is more than just a programming language, it's a vital tool in the arsenal of cybersecurity professionals. Its simplicity, versatility, and strong community support make it an indispensable asset in the fight against cyber threats. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, Python will undoubtedly remain a cornerstone of cybersecurity innovation and excellence. Python is a true multitasker in the world of programming languages. Its simplicity and readability make it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals. But what truly sets Python apart is its versatility, especially in the realm of cybersecurity. Just as a Swiss Army knife offers a tool for every situation, Python provides a comprehensive toolkit for cybersecurity experts. Whether you're a penetration tester, a security analyst, or a developer working on secure applications, Python has something to offer. Python equips cybersecurity professionals with a versatile arsenal to tackle a wide range of challenges. From scripting simple automation tasks to developing complex security tools, Python's capabilities are vast and varied. From automating network scans to developing sophisticated intrusion detection systems, Python's flexibility knows no bounds. Its ability to integrate with other technologies and platforms makes it an indispensable tool in the cybersecurity toolkit. Python's flexibility knows no bounds. Its extensive libraries and frameworks allow developers to quickly prototype and deploy security solutions, saving valuable time and resources. One of Python's key strengths lies in its extensive standard library, a collection of pre-built modules that act like building blocks for more complex programs. These modules cover a wide range of functionalities, from handling network protocols to parsing data formats. Need to interact with a web server? There's a module for that. Python's libraries make it easy to handle HTTP requests, manage sessions, and even scrape web data for analysis. Need to interact with a web server? There's a module for that. Python's libraries make it easy to handle HTTP requests, manage sessions, and even scrape web data for analysis. Want to perform complex mathematical calculations for cryptography? Python's got you covered. With libraries like PyCrypto and cryptography, implementing encryption and decryption algorithms becomes straightforward. This rich ecosystem of tools allows hackers to focus on the task at hand, rather than reinventing the wheel. Python's community-driven development ensures that new tools and libraries are constantly being created and updated, keeping pace with the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity. The role of Python in cybersecurity is not just limited to coding and development, it also plays a significant part in education and community building. Many cybersecurity conferences and workshops feature Python as a key topic, highlighting its importance and widespread adoption in the industry. Numerous online courses and training programs focus on teaching Python for cybersecurity applications. These educational resources help bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical skills, empowering the next generation of cybersecurity professionals. The Python community is vibrant and supportive, with numerous forums, online groups, and open-source projects dedicated to cybersecurity. This collaborative environment fosters innovation and knowledge sharing, driving the field forward. In conclusion, Python's role in cybersecurity is multifaceted and indispensable. Its versatility, extensive libraries, and strong community support make it a powerful ally in the fight against cyber threats. Whether you're automating tasks, developing security tools, or educating the next generation, Python is the go-to language for cybersecurity professionals. Section 4. Efficiency and productivity, Python's edge. In the world of cybersecurity, every second counts. Hackers need tools that are not only effective, but also ruthlessly efficient. Python, with its elegant design and focus on code readability, empowers security professionals to write clean, concise, and highly performant code. Compared to other languages, Python's dynamic typing and automatic memory management reduce the amount of boilerplate code required, allowing developers to focus on the logic of their programs. This results in faster development cycles and more time to dedicate to the critical task of securing systems against ever-evolving threats. Section 5. Python in web applications, a hacker's playground. The Internet, a vast, interconnected web of servers and applications, is both a playground and a battleground for hackers. Python, with its strong web development capabilities, has become an indispensable tool for both building and securing web applications. Frameworks like Django and Flask provide a robust foundation for creating dynamic and feature-rich web applications, while libraries like Requests and Beautiful Soup allow security professionals to interact with websites, scrape data, and analyze web traffic with ease. Python's versatility in this domain makes it an essential tool for understanding how web applications work, identifying vulnerabilities, and developing strategies to mitigate them.